Hey everyone, my name's Judd Burdon, president of ActionSeal.com. About 22 years ago, I started my very own asphalt maintenance company out of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It was a very exciting moment for me because I knew I was building my very own business and creating the freedom that I was searching for in my future. I've gone through this steep learning curve over the last 22 years. It's taken a lot of time, effort, a lot of failures, but along the way, I've come up with the solutions to the problems that I faced. And I'm willing to pass all those solutions along to you. Our goal here at ActionSeal.com is to fast track you to success by building your very own asphalt maintenance company from the ground up. Everything from the right equipment and supplies that you need, making sure that you have the right sales training, the right marketing collateral to make sure that you're closing more deals. Get in touch with us. We really look forward to speaking with you and creating the freedom that you deserve.